This is a brief how-to video that will cover setting up the network access feature for the XS26 and SC26 safety controllers from Banner Engineering. Network access allows you to view and modify the safety controller configuration, as well as monitor the controller's status with live mode via an Ethernet network connection. Begin by connecting the controller via an Ethernet adapter to your PC. This may be a direct connection or via an Ethernet hub. Upon launching the safety controller software, click the icon for Connect Controllers on the network. A list of all available controllers connected to the same network IP address as your PC will be shown. If no controllers are listed, you will need to configure your Ethernet adapter settings. A shortcut is available in the top right corner of the window that will bring you to the Network Connections window. Refer to the Network Access section of the manual for guidance on configuring the adapter settings. You may also need to allow the software and controller connection through your firewall. Contact your local IT department for assistance with this step, or refer to the manual for guidance with the Windows firewall settings. The available controllers list provides several identifying details, including the IP addresses, subnet masks, and the controller's name, which can be set later in the process. If you click the info icon, you can find additional information on the controller itself, such as the model, firmware version, function ID, status, and more. The list also provides a flash icon. This will make the corresponding controller flash its LEDs green for 5 seconds to help you identify which controller is which. When you have identified the correct controller, click the Connect icon. In order to enable network access, you will need to set a long string password. If you are connecting to a brand new controller, you will be prompted to set this password upon connection. Otherwise, you can perform this step by navigating to the password manager via the lock icon. The default network access password is 1901@banner. Enter the password, click on the Network tab, and click Set Password. You can then enter your unique password, which must be 8 to 31 characters in length and include at least one uppercase letter, lowercase letter, number, and special character. Click Save and then click Continue to send the password to the controller. The network access feature also includes the ability to restart the controller remotely. You will be prompted to do this each time that you make a change to the controller settings or configuration. After clicking Restart, the controller list window will reappear, and the status icon will inform you of when the controller has completed the restart and is ready for connection again. Once network access has been set up, you can read, modify, and write configurations for the controller the same way as you would via a USB connection. It's also important to take note of the Network Settings section. This section lets you enable and disable the network access as needed for both configuring and live monitoring the controller. You can also provide a name to the controller for identification purposes. Lastly, if you are connecting multiple controllers to the same network, you can modify the IP address for each device to help differentiate it in the network. That covers the basics of the network access feature for the XS26 and SC26 safety controllers. For more information, visit bannerengineering.com.